Which smart home hub is better for automation, Hubitat or SmartThings? The answer isn't straightforward. It depends entirely on your specific needs and technical preferences. SmartThings is backed by Samsung and represents the mainstream approach to smart home automation. Hubitat was actually built by former SmartThings community contributors who wanted more control and local processing. SmartThings is ideal for average users who want ease of use and official support for the most popular smart devices. It offers a user-friendly interface with broad device compatibility. Hubitat caters to power users who desire local control, reliability, and complex automations. It's designed for those who want their home to function even when the internet is down. A key difference is how each platform handles processing. SmartThings is moving towards more local processing, but Hubitat is designed for it from the ground up. There's a growing trend where users want their homes to function even when the internet is down. This is exactly what Hubitat caters to with its local-first approach. In summary, if you want ease of use with official support for popular devices, SmartThings is your best choice. If you want advanced automation capabilities with local control, Hubitat is recommended. The fundamental difference between SmartThings and Hubitat lies in how they process your smart home commands. SmartThings relies on cloud-based processing, while Hubitat operates primarily through local processing. This processing difference has significant implications. Hubitat automations run directly on the hub itself, meaning they don't require an internet connection to function. Your lights will still turn on when you walk into a room, even if your internet is down. Hubitat has a steeper learning curve compared to SmartThings, but it offers advanced features like Hub Mesh for expanding coverage across larger properties. This allows multiple Hubitat hubs to work together seamlessly. Looking toward the future, the Matter standard is becoming increasingly important for smart home compatibility. SmartThings AOTech Hub includes a Thread radio that works well with Matter devices, while Hubitat currently lacks this Thread radio support. Many users have migrated from SmartThings to Hubitat, seeking improved reliability and local control. However, some users take a hybrid approach, combining both platforms to leverage the strengths of each system. When making your decision, consider three key factors: the importance of local control for your setup, device compatibility requirements, and how the future Matter standard fits into your long-term smart home plans. If you're serious about home automation, you may eventually want the advanced capabilities that local processing provides.